Our story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, with popular features and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, steering wheel controls, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, tachometer, child seat anchors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.